Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can check things that you bought on Roblox. So the first thing that you will have to do is click this Roblox icon right here, which is on the top right. And then you will click My Transactions. And you will just have to click Type of Transaction, which is right here. And then you will just have to look for sales for purchases, which is right here. And now what you will see here is basically the things that you've bought from Roblox. And yeah, uh you could also pick the sale type, which is either paid access in local currency, paid unlimited items, or all items. So it really depends on you. And yeah, that's basically just it. And now you will be able to see all the things that you've bought in Roblox, even in the previous days, previous weeks, or previous years. So yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.